Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Tuesday, March 11th, 2025, and as you guys can see, my profit for today is $62.50. Nothing too crazy, but we can clearly see that today has been such a wild ride. So yeah, honestly I wasn't gonna make this video, but I just felt like maybe someone might just learn something from it. So yeah, let's go right into the breakdown. Let's get it. Alright, so as you guys can see, my entry point and my exit point. The first things first I wanted to point out is that I only took one trade in this crazy market day. We can tell that, you know, the overall market has been such a wild ride in these past few days. And like I said, I didn't really feel like making this video because, you know, it's only $62. Like, it is what it is. But if you maybe can learn something from what I'm gonna explain, then, you know, so be it. I'm always happy to help out any other trader out there. So yeah, my first things first that I want to point out is that in times like this, if you ever feel like you're unsure, or, you know, you just want to take a position or anything like that, the first things first that you should tell yourself is to, one, go in half the position size that you usually take. So what I mean by that is usually I take 100 shares, but as you guys can see, I took 50 shares, and then this is exactly what happened. You guys know that I usually wait for the sell-off, and then I get in, and then we wait for the nice pump up to go back up. But given this uncertain day with everything being so volatile, it's just been a wild ride. So this is where I got in first, 50 shares at 166.76. Once I got in, you guys could clearly see it started to go down, and this is what I mean. Like, we did have this little, you know, this little wave, you know, reversal right here, but nothing too crazy. So if we go back here, we can clearly see that it just continued. It went up for this nice reversal right here. I think it would have been up like a couple dollars, nothing too crazy, but yeah, it just started to go all the way down. Now the profit I wanted to make for today was 100. Obviously that wasn't met, but given that usually on a day like this, since it was 100, I would have just stuck to $50 on the day because it's such a wild ride. And yeah, if you want to put it in those terms, because I only took 50 shares, you know, I made my target. But like I said, I wasn't actually going to be doing this video, but, you know, so be it. Anyways, we saw the sell-off happening all the way down, and went all the way down. You can clearly see oversold here on the RSI, MACD also, and then we get this nice reversal. Everything just went right back up to the point of getting back into the green, and then this is where I set my target, 168.01. As you guys could see, it's clearly like around close to 3 o'clock, because I set my target price that I wanted to sell out, and then I actually just let it wait. So I let it ride out, and then once I got the notification that it sold, I was happy with that. So yeah, nothing too crazy today. You know, hopefully you guys are actually making money in this crazy market, but you know, you have to be cautious, you have to be careful whenever you're taking positions, and also, like I always stress, limit your trades, because obviously I could have gone aggressively. Like, I could have averaged down, bought somewhere down here, and then sold all the way up. I could have bought the extra 50 that I usually take on the 100 shares, and then I could have sold higher up, anywhere up here, for more you know, for more profits. It would have just been double. It would have been like 120 or so. But that wasn't the case for today. In times when the market is very unpredictable, you should know, one, just go in with half the shares if you feel uneasy, if you feel like you're not sure, and then two, do not overtrade. So only take one position, set your entry point, set your exit points, get out, and then that's it. If I didn't set my exit price target, you guys could clearly see that when we closed off on the day, we closed off at 165.98. Obviously, if I kept holding, I would have been in the red right now. So that's another thing to be cautious about. Even though it spiked up on the day, on highs of the day, you should know that, you know, make sure you set your target to just exit the position, and then take your profits and walk away, because I've seen too many traders when they just hold on and then they wait till the next day and then look at it. You can clearly see that, you know, at the end of the day, they're in the red because they didn't really have a plan going in. So that's mainly the point I'm trying to make. Just make a plan, set your entry points, set your exit points, go in half with the shares, and then if you feel like, okay, I can average down and then go up, then so be it. But as of right now, with this market volatility that we've been seeing so far with the tariffs and everything, just know that in a perfect world, it's not going to be all green every time, like all green every day. You guys can clearly see that Google, ticker symbol GOOG, you guys could see that it is down on the day 1.09%. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave it like that. Let me know in the comment section down below, how did you guys do today? Did you actually trade for the week? I know it's been a wild ride. Again, like I stressed, I wasn't gonna be doing this video, but I was like, hey. So if this actually helps you out, I don't know, let me know in the comment section. Yeah, and then we can converse about it or so. I'm gonna leave it like that, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. You know, make sure you smash that like button, notification bell, subscribe, all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. You know what to do. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.